We're launching the 11:30 half hour of the news. I'm Walt Gray. We're at T-minus 4 hours until the launch of NASA's Artemis II mission. Just after 3 p.m. Pacific, 4 astronauts are scheduled to lift off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. They'll be off on a 10-day journey around the moon, the first crewed mission toward the moon in more than 50 years. ABC 10 contributor Tom Foreman now has a sneak peek at what we can expect during this historic launch.
No matter how many space launches you have seen, you've never seen one like this because the Space Launch System is a vessel unto itself. This is a beast. Taller than the Statue of Liberty from the base to the tip of the torch, well over 300 feet. It weighs around 6 million pounds, but that's okay because it can produce about 8 million pounds of thrust, starting with those 2 big solid fuel boosters on the side there. They will both burn straight through at the beginning, giving it that extra boost as it gets off the ground, and then they will fall away. They could almost get the job done entirely by themselves, but they will have the help of that big orange core in the middle. It's orange because that is insulation to keep what's inside very, very cold. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, both of which will be flowing down to these 4 RS-25 engines down below, all together sending this well up into space with a tremendous amount of power. So where are the astronauts in all of this? They're up here. That's where you'll find the Orion crew module. Just below it, the service module that will supply water and oxygen and all sorts of things to the crew up above. And below that, another big booster, which will send that part into a giant elliptical orbit around the Earth before sending it on its way. One more thing, you'll see that upside down ice cream cone up there? That is an escape module, in a sense, a way for the crew to get out. Even when this rocket is going thousands of miles an hour, it could bring them safely back down to Earth. Of course, everybody hopes that this doesn't get used, that everything falls off as it should properly, and the Orion crew is on its way on this historic return to the moon.